Headlines and a new battle underway in the Delphi murders case. There is yet another effort to get the judge disqualified.
Attorneys for suspect Richard Allen made this new request just days after the state Supreme Court put them back on the case after the judge kicked them off. Rich and I is here with more.
And so just to understand where we are here, the judge would be the one who would have to disqualify herself in this case, right?
Right. So we were talking about this in the state Supreme Court earlier this month. Now we're back in Carroll County before the special judge. Earlier this month, the Indiana Supreme Court reinstated Andrew Baldwin and Bradley Rozzi as the court-appointed attorneys for Richard Allen. He is charged with killing Libby German and Abby Williams almost 7 years ago now. Allen's attorneys are asking the judge to remove or recuse herself from the case. They argue in a motion that the Supreme Court ruling that Allen was wrongfully denied the attorneys of his choosing is now further proof that Judge Gull is biased and prejudiced toward Allen. An affidavit signed by Richard Allen outlines 19 ways that the defense claims Judge Gull has acted in ways that undermine public confidence in the impartiality of the court. Allen's attorneys say they were ambushed and forced to resign from the case back in October with accusations of gross negligence. They say these public comments you're about to hear on camera in court back in October are not true.
We've had an unexpected turn of events, ladies and gentlemen. Earlier this afternoon, the defense attorneys have withdrawn their representation of Mr. Allen. Clearly, this is outside of our control.
Allen's attorneys say the judge's comments right there disguised her successful plan to force the attorneys to withdraw from the case, which they had done just before those comments. The court filings also argue that Judge Gull has shown bias in not granting hearings on motions to the defense and refusing to move Richard Allen out of a state prison. Meantime, now this trial has been moved back to October, and what's really interesting here again is what you said earlier, Dustin, and that is the judge herself will be deciding whether she's going to stay on the case.
It almost seems like really this is setting it up to be an appeal to a higher court. All right, boy. And the relationship between the judge and these two lawyers, boy, I mean, she had said that she accused them of inappropriate conduct. They've accused her of inappropriate conduct. If they remain together in the same courtroom, it's going to be an interesting dynamic. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
For sure.
More at 5, Rich. Thank you.